Hi, my name is Juliana Menke. I'm a licensed mental health counselor here with Suncoast Center. And today I'm going to be talking a little bit about how to communicate with others during the pandemic and during racial injustice and all of the upheaval basically that we've had in the last 6-ish months. I think 2020 is going to probably go on record as one of the most emotionally difficult times of our lives. Many of us never even knew what a pandemic really was, much less how to properly wear a mask. Then on top of coronavirus, the new evidence of racial injustice has shown us all to us in new and insistent ways that we really have to pay attention to. We all want change. We want this world to be healthy, to be safe for everyone, regardless of their color, their race, background, or financial resources. How can we connect with other people to talk about the important and stressful topics like the pandemic and like social unrest? Well, we should consider what time and place we want to have these important conversations. Social media can be a great place for connection, but it is not always the most appropriate place to have difficult conversations. We also should consider who we want or need to have some of these difficult conversations with. If it's a conversation that is a request related to safety, like what activities we are or are not participating in, ask yourself what response you're expecting from the other side of the conversation. Will you be able to have a respectful communication with that person? And will they be able to do the same? We can have these conversations if we bring to the table our ability to adapt, to empathize, and to focus on justice. One thing to realize is that humans have a tremendous capacity to adapt. When social distancing became our norm, we utilized Zoom and Messenger and lots of other options, including regular old phone calls, and transformed social distancing into the more accurate term of physical distancing with social connection. Empathy is also a powerful force for resilience within the human spirit. We can demonstrate empathy by reaching out, sharing our concerns, and listening to others. Listening and caring are sometimes all that we're able to do. And doing just that can really help someone through hard times. When a person is struggling, is depressed, is even considering self-harm, the kind word of just one person can make all the difference. Human beings have a vibrant sense of justice. When evidence of racial injustice is captured on film, we demand change. We put on our masks and our gloves, and then we march. We text, we email, and phone our local government, demanding increased safety for our citizens in police situations and every other situation. It is normal to be overwhelmed during hard times. That's kind of what defines hard times. Being able to openly say this is an awful time can be uncomfortable, but it's really honest. In a nutshell, you want to ask, how are you doing? I'm really interested. Listen, pay attention without interrupting. It's hard sometimes to do that without talking, but it's okay to just listen. Let the other person fill in the gaps. Empathize. Say something like, I really care about what is stressful to you, even if we haven't experienced the exact same thing. Try to avoid platitudes like, everything is all good, it's all going to turn out okay, just have faith. Be with the person in their moment and feel the difficulty of what they are experiencing. And then if you can, assist. How can I help? Do what you can and be honest about limitations. If someone asks for more than you're able, say, well, I cannot do all that, but I can do this much. Will that be useful for you? When we reach out to someone in stress or in pain, it's so important to let them know how much we care. I really wish this was not happening to you. Tell me how you're dealing with everything, because I care. Is there anything I can do to help? We may not have a fix, but we can give support with the ability to adapt, to show empathy, and to focus on justice. Thank you so much, and please contact Suncoast Center if you have any need for support or guidance during these times.